Hi, welcome to the Weston Garden Center. I'm Beth and this is Jim McPherson. Our movie is called Go Weston Young Gardener, and it's about Weston, Missouri heritage. During the 1800s, thousands of people followed the rallying cry to settle the West. Many set out for Weston to cross the Missouri River. Looking for a land of milk and honey, hundreds remained and made Platte County their homes. Settlers brought seeds for crops to raise and flowers to remind them of home. If they had had access to the seeds we have today, you would have seen All America Selections winners at their front porch steps and in the kitchen gardens. We have planted our display garden with All America Selection plants to represent some of what the settlers and their descendants enjoyed and depended upon. Before the Civil War, Weston was the hemp capital of the United States. Enslaved people worked the hemp fibers into rope. We are not able to grow that crop, but we have tobacco, which was a major cash crop through the 1900s. Our milk can has a plant that mimics milk cascading out, and the bee's knees petunias represent honey. Truly, it has been the land of milk and honey. In the nearly 200 years since Weston was founded, it has been a trading post for settlers, the hemp capital of Missouri, the home of McCormick Distillery, the oldest continuously operated distillery west of the Mississippi, the Royal Brewery, and the only tobacco market west of the Mississippi.
Visitors have always been welcome in Weston and in our garden center, both people and pollinators. Come visit us.